All right, today we're gonna start out with a 1-1-2. I've got some weights here. I'll add this later on, but I wanna show you the 1-1-2. Jab, jab, cross, okay? Jab, jab, cross. Jab, jab, cross. Jab, jab, cross. Jab, jab, cross. Just do that. Step, step, cross. Step, step, cross. Step, step, cross. Step, step, cross. When you throw these punches, you wanna turn them over. Think of you pouring something out of a jar at the end of your punch, okay? Keep it straight, boom, 1, 1, boom, 1, 1, boom, 1, 1, boom. If you're experienced, obviously you can use some weights. I wouldn't do anything heavier than 3 pounds, otherwise it starts to potentially damage your shoulder, depending on how much you're doing. And since we're doing 5 rounds, you don't wanna hurt yourself, okay? Make sure you get some movement going. Some of you may be like this, and that's okay. As long as you get some activity going, we're gonna be okay, all right? Now we're gonna go into some high knees. Oh, 1, just high knees, just like this. High knees, here we go. Doing this for 30 seconds. Do what you can. If you can't go that high, just keep your balance, don't fall. If you need something to support yourself, do that too. Okay, 10 seconds left. That's our warning. Here we go. All right, good stuff. So the next exercise is gonna be a cross, hook, cross. Got these 3-pound weights here. Remember, it's a cross, hook, cross. Cross comes from the back. This is your boxing stance, let's go. Cross, hook, cross. 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 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. Now we're gonna get into some ollie shuffles. Those are just boxer shuffles. Imagine you have something in front of you and just tap it. Here you go. You know, like ollie was back in the day. You can speed it up if you want to. Biggest thing is just keep it rolling. You'll feel it in your calves. You'll feel this one. Let's get it. Okay, nice, 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 nice. Next combination is gonna be a 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a jab, cross, hook, hook. Jab, cross, hook, hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I'm gonna do this to show you with the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna get some weights real quick. Just to make it a little harder. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now we're gonna go into some squats. Let's get it. your time. 1. Focus on sitting down like you're sitting in a chair, okay? You want to pretend like you're trying to sit on a really low seat. Just come down, feet roughly shoulder length apart, okay? That's how you want to do a squat. Put your hands up to give you more, keep your back straighter. Otherwise, if you do it like this, you'll tend to lean forward. Get a little bit of a rest here. I hope you guys like and subscribe to this. For this combination here, we're gonna do the side shuffles we did earlier. We're gonna mix it with the uppercut, and then we're gonna hook. I'll show you. Side step, uppercut, hook, uppercut, hook, uppercut, hook, uppercut, hook, uppercut, hook, uppercut, hook, uppercut, hook. I'm gonna get some weight, show you guys here. Uppercut, hook, uppercut, hook, uppercut, hook, uppercut, hook. If you can do it faster, do it faster. These are short punches. Hooking is literally hooking. When you throw the uppercut, you want your shoulders flush with the ground. Look at that. All right, we're gonna go into jump lunges. Maybe complicated. Just take a lunge. This is a lunge. This is a lunge. You can do this, or you can do a more advanced version, which is this. You've seen boxers do this. This is a good one. Works on explosiveness. You need that when you're boxing, okay? Go to side to side. Oh yeah, I know y'all felt that. Last round, guys. We're gonna focus on lightning punches, and then we'll end with jump squats. Lightning punches is just 1-2s, jab crosses. Keep it consistent. Keep our wind up. Let's go. 1, 2. I want you guys to focus on using your shoulders and turning when you punch. See? I'm just throwing my arms out like this, because when you're boxing, you don't just want to use your arm. You want to use your body. That's me turning my hips up to this. My arms get loosey-goosey. And then I'm coming here. This is one of the more challenging ones, but it's a fundamental. You get it down, it makes everything easier. Stay loose with your arms. Don't try to lock out your arm. That's not what it's about. You bend down a little bit. It's a little easier to get that swing in there. You'll feel it in your abs. All right, cool. Now we have jump squats. If you can't jump, just do a regular squat. Jump squat goes like this. Jump up, back into it. There you go. There you got it. Ooh. Oh yeah, I'm gonna feel this later today. For sure. Oh gosh, yeah. Woo. Oh, yes. I love this feeling. I love the feeling. Almost done. Oh, told you. Woo. I feel it already. Listen, we're gonna cool off, get some little stretches in there so that we don't get too tight.